Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your monthly reading for the month of October 2020. Okay, so we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Librans for the month of October 2020, please. Angel guide spirits, let's see what are the messages for you. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. This reading will be a little different from my other readings because I'm going to do a little in detail this time. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So you have the strength and king of rods, 10 of swords and 6 of swords, 6 of wands and the queen of cups. Okay, so I'm actually seeing that you actually took a decision over here, and this decision was none others than yours. Okay, so you actually did this thing. You made yourself so strong that you could actually take a decision, and there was an ending as well. I'm seeing in some other situation of yours. This might be a love situation because I'm seeing that you're ending and it's like moving on in calmer, towards calmer waters. So that is what I'm seeing. You are moving towards something very, which is actually going to give you something really soothing experience, because you have already dealt with a lot of stuff. So this is a very bad experience which you have come from, and then you finally decided that it's better to go towards something which is more soothing. Okay, which will give you victory, which will give you success. So let's just end those past situations, past person, whatever this thing was, and it's better to be alone than to be with someone who is just it's just an ending with someone over here. Okay, I'm also seeing that you actually you went towards something which is actually calm. You went towards it by your own. You became successful because you wanted. It's more than you want. It's more than not your actions yet. You have not shown it in your actions. It's in your mind. That success is in your mind. It is in your inner self. You haven't actually did something for it yet. No actions been taken yet. It's just an idea. It's inside you. It's inside your heart. That is what is going on. Okay, so the Emperor and 3 of swords, King of Pentacles and 2 of swords. That is your energy over here, Librans. 5 of cups and the Page of Pentacles. Yeah, so at present you are ending something. Okay, so it is actually coming from the past only, and you are taking a decision to end something, but it is just a decision yet. You have not, as I'm just saying that the actions have not been revealed. You have not put those ideas into action yet. And but yes, since 2 of swords is in your middle of the reading, it is actually something which is like, you want to be successful, you want to gain money, you want to be successful in life, you want a pure relationship. This is something which you actually, you are like, you want to give 100% to a situation, but you just want to give. You are still deciding, you are on that process of deciding yet. You have not decided about the situation yet. Yeah. So, that is why, because of this indecision which has not been made, this decision which has not been made, it is still a lot of, see, regrets. It is still like, okay, you are just crying over the spilt milk, okay, over here, and you are not doing anything for that. I'm saying, let's see your future energies. Future energies for Librans. Yeah. so over here, universe actually wants to tell you that, hard work will actually give you something. Hard work is needed for this thing, but you are rejecting to give your hard work, your efforts. You are not able to give your efforts towards this situation. I'm seeing, see, if this is a love situation, so this situation actually needs efforts as well, because you are not in that situation to just, continue with someone with whom you do not want to live, or you want to, like, it's that energy over here where you don't want to continue with this person, but still you don't have any choice. You are in that situation. You are working towards your decision. I'm seeing in your future, you are actually you really need to take it now. In your coming future, you might become busy again. So that is why, if your decision is pending, if you are still in that situation where you are not able to decide what to do, so it's better to just take some rest, a little pause for some time, but then you have to take a decision, because things might take a long time and you might just end up doing nothing. So that is what. So let's see what is the advice from the universe regarding the situation of yours. Five of Swords, Queen of Swords, and Page of Swords. So yes, action. Universe wants you to take some action over here. If you really want to cut some people off from your life, you can cut. If you do not want some betrayals, if you want just to remove bad people from your life, you really need to do that. That is what the universe is actually telling you, because you are in a state where you want something else, you are doing something else. Your actions are speaking something else, and your words are speaking something else. So try to just, make up your mind, and try to just go towards what your heart and mind wants together. Okay, try to balance your energies and then take an action, because your mind is saying something else and your heart is saying something else, and you are just balancing it. You are just, in your future as well, I'm seeing you are just going to balance. You will try to balance, how to balance both the energies, but no, you won't be able to do both the things. Okay, you cannot be in a situation where you are hurt, or where you were like, where the situation was really bad, so you cannot get healed in that situation. So that is up to you, because the cards are really telling that you really need to take whatever decision. You really need to take it fast, and this time will not come again. So if you are really focusing on something very major, because with the King of Pentacles, okay, so you might be dealing with a Taurus over here, but it does not has to be, because you are really, you have high hopes. I'm really getting, you have, your mind is like, you want to become an Ambani or something, Steve Jobs, or somebody who is at that high position you want to become, but what are you doing for that thing? Nothing. Okay, so really you need to show some actions now. Stop saying no towards everything who is coming towards you, who is trying to give you an advice. Stop saying no. Okay, start taking some advice from the good advisors, good people around you, if they're actually helping you, because people are trying to help you, but I'm really getting that it's you who is just not accepting the help. So accept the help. Okay, so that is all from my side, Librans. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.